Hello and welcome to Setup Tour of Zoho Bigin Connector for Magento 2. We will show you the complete setup process of the module. Let's start. The first step is to enable the module and select the Zoho domain and save the configuration. Now copy the redirect URI from here, click the Generate Client ID and Secret button. It will open the Zoho login page. Log in with your account. If this is your first app, then click Get Started button, otherwise you will see the Add Client, so click that. Select Server-based applications in client type. Add any client name. Add home page URL of your site. Add authorized redirect URIs as displayed in module setting and click Create. Now copy client ID, paste in module setting in respected field. Now copy client secret, paste in module setting in respected field. Click the Save Configuration. Now click Generate Tokens button in module setting. Select the Zoho Bigin organizations which will be used to sync the data and click Submit. Now, click Accept. Once you see the authentication page at front end, refresh the configuration page. You will see that tokens are generated. There are few more fields in module setting like Start Date to sync orders. This field will set the date from which Magento orders will sync to Zoho Bigin. Next field is select the order statuses of Magento orders that will be synced to Zoho Bigin. Leave it you want to sync all orders. One last field is Adjustment Product ID. Leave this field. Module will generate it when needed. Now save the configuration. Module setting is complete. Now we will show you the syncing of customers, products and orders. Click the Zoho Bigin menu and you will see the sync menus. In case these menus are not present, then plush Magento Cache from Cache Management. Now click the Sync Customers. Click the Export button to sync the customers from Magento to Zoho Bigin. Import button will do the reverse of export. We have already synced the customers. So let's see them in Zoho Bigin. See, customers are present in Zoho Bigin. The sync process is same for products and orders also. We have already synced the products and orders also. We have tried to cover all points. In case of any query, comment here or mail us at support@opencartcity.com. For further updates, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching the video.